Hi all, hope you all doing good. Once again back with a new video with a different concept. This is again a demo, but this will really help all of us. As you all aware that because of COVID outbreak, most of us are working from home and with very few minimal people are working from office with all approvals and permission. But here you could see a major difference when you work from office and home. The one difference is the ergonomics factor, which is really create a major difference from office to home, because like in home we won't be having the same setup whatever we got in office. So in this case, most of the people would have encountered a lot of back pain and shoulder pain or muscle pain because of the way we are actually working from home. So these are the simple basic exercise which can really help us to make us to feel pain free. So I know these are the basic simple exercise, but these exercises can be even performed when you're working from office, because this exercise, irrespective whether you work from office or home, you can actually do this workouts, and this is very basic workouts. So let's quickly get into the workouts. Now I'm going to show demos of 4 different exercises, and so let's start with the first one. And the first one is folding your hands. This is a very simple one. It can if you do it in 2 ways. The first way, it can reduce the back pain in the middle part, and the second way, if you do, it can reduce both the middle part and your shoulder pain. So I'm going to show you the demo. So just fold your hands like this. It is very simple, and hold in this position for 30 seconds. You could really feel the difference in the middle parts and towards the shoulder side also. And if you want to bit more get relief from the shoulder pain, you can just slightly press it like this and hold it for 30 seconds. So so in this position, hold it for 30 seconds and interchange your hands to the other position. Hold like this again for 30 seconds. Again, if you want to do it like like this, you can do. But people, if you guys are having a lot of shoulder pain, please don't do this. But a mild pain can be bearable, because once you start practicing with this one, later on you can slightly move like this. So this is the first exercise. Number 2, which we are going to see, is the neck stretch. And you might be you might be asking, neck and the back, like what is the? But if you do this exercise, you can really feel the difference because the nerves which are getting connected, that also gets relaxed and you will feel pain free. So in order to do this, you just hold your head and press your neck towards the right. Now I'm using the right side, and hold it in this position for 30 seconds. Then after that, you interchange the position and hold it in this position for 30 seconds. So which is a minute. The third one which we are going to see is armpit check stretch. And this is also really helpful for getting relief from the back pain. So this is how you should do the exercise. So hold your neck like this, the head like this, and just press and focus on your armpit side. Hold it for 30 seconds. Then interchange the position. Hold it for 30 seconds. So that's it. So totally 1 minute for the third one. So the fourth one which we are going to see is stretch by sitting, folding the legs. And this is how we should do the exercise. So you fold one of your leg and keep it on the other leg, and just hold like this and just bend towards the front and breathe relaxedly and hold in this position for 30 seconds. Then you interchange your legs, hold it and bend in this position and stay there for 30 seconds. So you guys saw the 4 different exercises on how to perform that. So hardly you're going to spend 4 minutes of your time, and this is a really simple but an effective exercise which you can perform even when you're working from office or at home whenever you have this back pain. This can really relieve you from the pain and you can really feel pain free. So please continue doing this exercise, and people who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos. So henceforth you will be getting more updates and more videos on different topics, and that's the main focus of my channel, Prime Thought. So until then, see you guys all. So stay blessed and have a wonderful time.